This will be a quick look at how to adjust some maintenance reminders in your Infiniti G37 Sedan, G37 Coupe, Infiniti JX35, or Infiniti QX60, as well as the Infiniti QX56 and Infiniti QX80. To adjust the maintenance reminders that appear within the vehicle display, what you'll want to do is go to the Info or Settings button. In this particular vehicle, which is a QX60, you'll push the Info button. On the screen, you'll be given some options. You'll notice that the option on the right-hand side says Maintenance. You'll select Maintenance. In this circumstance, you'll notice that we do have several options as far as engine oil, oil filter, tire, and the other reminder. The other reminder is typically a larger service, such as your 15,000 mile service, 30,000 mile service, and so forth. To reset the monitor, you'll make a selection of the maintenance item that you'd wish to reset. In this circumstance, we'll select engine oil. Here, the engine oil interval has been set at 0 miles. Henceforth, the bar that has accrued mileage is currently red. To reset that distance, you'll notice at the very bottom, we do have reset distance. If we push OK using the large controller knob here, or if we just simply touch reset distance on the screen, you'll notice the red hash mark has now disappeared and the distance has been successfully reset in the vehicle. In order to go back to your prior screen, you'll select the back button located at the top right, or you can also select the back button located at the bottom left of the Infiniti controller knob. Then you'll be given the option to reset the additional maintenance items in the vehicle, such as the oil filter, tire, and additional major maintenance. Within the maintenance menu, if you do need to adjust the mileage interval, such as if you switch from conventional oil to synthetic oil, you can adjust that maintenance by simply selecting the interval and then either selecting the positive button, or you can utilize the enter switch here. And once we do, we can go ahead and turn the knob to increase our mileage. In this case, we'll increase the mileage to roughly 5,000 miles. Once you have it set, you'll notice that there's a hash mark at the top indicating where the maintenance interval has been set. You'll also then push the back button to lock in that maintenance interval. And in this case, you'll notice that the interval has been locked in, and the vehicle will remind you at 5,000 miles to change your oil filter. If you have any additional questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and please be sure to like, rate, and subscribe.